How does the gut microbiome prevent colon issues? Imagine your gut as a bustling city filled with tiny residents working together to keep everything running smoothly. These residents are the beneficial bacteria that make up your gut microbiome. They play a crucial role in protecting your colon from issues like inflammation and even cancer. How do they do this? Let's explore. First, these helpful bacteria ferment dietary fiber from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to produce substances called short-chain fatty acids. One of the most important is butyrate. Butyrate acts like a nourishing fuel for the cells lining your colon. It helps these cells stay healthy, promotes proper cell growth, and encourages the removal of damaged or abnormal cells through a process called apoptosis. Plus, butyrate has anti-inflammatory effects, which means it helps keep inflammation in check. Since chronic inflammation is linked to higher risks of colon cancer, this is a key way the microbiome offers protection. Next, the beneficial bacteria help regulate your immune response in the colon. They produce signals that reduce inflammation and support immune cells that fight off harmful invaders. This immune modulation prevents long-term inflammation that can damage DNA and increase cancer risk. Some bacteria, like those from the Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium groups, are especially good at this. The microbiome also helps maintain the integrity of the gut's barrier. Think of this barrier as a protective wall that keeps harmful substances and pathogens out of your body. When the microbiome is balanced, it supports the production of mucus and tight junction proteins that strengthen this barrier. A strong barrier prevents toxins and bacteria from penetrating the colon lining and causing damage that could lead to disease. Gut bacteria also influence how your body processes dietary fats and bile acids. They modify these substances into less harmful forms, reducing the exposure of your colon to potential carcinogens. Additionally, they help break down amino acids and other compounds that, if accumulated, could promote tumor growth. Another important role is suppressing harmful bacteria. A healthy microbiome keeps dangerous bacteria like Fusobacterium nucleatum in check. This bacteria has been linked to higher risks of colorectal cancer and worse outcomes in patients. By keeping these harmful microbes under control, your microbiome acts like a natural defense system. Your diet plays a big part in shaping your microbiome. Eating plenty of fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and plant-based foods encourages the growth of beneficial bacteria. These bacteria produce protective substances like butyrate and help reduce inflammation, which supports colon health and lowers cancer risk. Scientists are also exploring how adding probiotics, live beneficial bacteria, and prebiotics, fiber that feeds these bacteria, might help prevent colon problems. Some animal studies and early human trials suggest these approaches could boost the microbiome's protective functions, but more research is needed to confirm their effectiveness in people. In summary, your gut microbiome acts as a guardian for your colon by producing helpful compounds, regulating immune responses, strengthening the gut barrier, and controlling harmful bacteria. Maintaining a balanced, fiber-rich diet supports this natural defense system. Remember, though, that microbiome health is just one part of colon health. Regular screening and healthy lifestyle choices remain as essential. Always consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice and screening recommendations to keep your colon healthy and strong.